Hi, let me tell you some information about our fantastic level one nail art design course. So this is suitable for beginners or for those that already have some basic skills and want to develop on those existing skills. It's suitable for ages 11 and over. However, if your child is currently age 10, they're also able to enroll, provided that they will be turning 11 within 10 months from booking. The reason we give that 10-month period is because students have 10 months to complete the full course. That includes making sure all tasks are completed, submitted, and marked within that 10-month period. Students have to be aged 11 before we can put them forward for their qualification with the awarding body. So if your child is currently aged 10 and also wants to join, provided they actually meet those requirements, then they're also welcome to enrol. It is a recognised qualification, it's accredited, and it's a regulated qualification as well. It's a level one qualification that your child will receive upon successful completion. The cost can be found on our website. The booking link is in our description. You can opt to pay in installments to spread the cost, or if you prefer, you can pay in full. And if you do pay in full, you do get a discounted price. At the minute, we are sending out free kits to those that enroll. Within the free kit, your child will receive everything that they need to complete the practical tasks. The fee covers all tasks, registration. So this is not our registration fee, it's free to register with us, but it's the registration fee of the awarding body. All markings included, moderation is included, and certification fees are also included. If your child successfully completes the course and we put them forward for their qualification, once we receive their certificate, we'll also pay the postage and send that certificate out to your child as well. Full teacher support is given. Everything is on our online portal. Students can work at their own pace through the tasks, and they can resubmit work as many times as needed until they achieve a pass on all of those tasks. Students can also message the teacher anytime in the online portal, and the teacher will get back to them as soon as they can. So you can study at your own pace. If you want to work through the task more quickly, you can. If you pay in full, you get access to the full sessions for the whole of the course. If you pay in installments, sessions will be released in monthly blocks. So you get a block of sessions to complete in the first month. Then once the next payment's been taken, you'll get the next block of sessions and so on. There is also the opportunity to progress to level 2 after successful completion of level 1. Depending on your child's age, they may be able to join level 2 without starting level 1. Level 2 is a lot more intense, but if you want more information on that, please have a look at our level 2 nail art design video. If you want to slowly introduce the techniques and ensure that work is not overwhelming for your child, I would suggest starting with level 1, and then if you pass that and you've liked the course, then maybe look at progressing on to level 2 afterwards. So remember to complete everything within 10 months or sooner to be able to be put forward for qualification. Let me show you some examples of our students' work that they've completed. So all of those have been completed by our level 1 students. As you can see, the work is amazing, especially for students at such a young age as well. And they've learned how to develop and progress their nail art skills. which is perfect for them progressing on to level two because they'll already have a good basic foundation of those skills and techniques. If you would like any more information, please visit our website, or if there's any questions that I've not been able to answer in this video from the information that's been given, please feel free to send over an email. Thank you.